繼續收睇藝方星期天農曆新年特輯
And the works.
In part one of the show, we entered the world of Cantonese opera. Now we're heading into the kind of structure that was once primarily a venue for Cantonese opera performance, the Bamboo Theatre.
萬眾期待嘅未來西九戲曲中心，今年繼續為大家呈獻西九大戲棚2013。
The 3-week event is featuring not only star-studded Cantonese opera shows, but also Chinese dance by the Hong Kong Dance Company, contemporary music concerts, and a bamboo theater fair to bring back memories of Hong Kong's past.
我哋見得到咧係一個傳統嘅香港式嘅戲棚，咁我哋而家身處呢個地方咧就會做一個叫西九大戲棚嘅一個項目嘅。我哋而家咧喺尖沙咀柯士甸道同埋廣東道嘅交界，咁將來呢個地方咧就會係西九嘅戲曲中心嘅地址嚟嘅。
There may be an ongoing controversy about the future name of the West Kowloon venue to be dedicated to Chinese opera, but for now, the show still goes on. Following the success of last year's debut, the West Kowloon Cultural District Authority has once again set up this bamboo theatre, this time running from January 30th until February 16th. This year's rundown looks further afield for its performances than the first, by including a cappella performances and contemporary dance.
平時中意睇大戲嘅觀眾咧，都會嚟睇我哋呢度睇。但我哋希望咧，今次咧就可以吸引多啲香港人嚟到睇啦，唔同嘅人啦，譬如話年青啲嘅朋友啊，或者係平時或者係唔睇大戲嘅朋友。一般嘅戲棚咧就係竹嚟到搭出嚟啦，咁外邊係鋪星鐵片嘅。咁今次咧喺星鐵片外邊咧，我哋再會加一層橙紅色嘅一層網嘅。咁希望咧就大家咧有一個新嘅一個形象啦。
William Lim is a graduate of Cornell University in the United States and a leading Hong Kong architect. Apart from working on projects like this, he is also actively involved in public art. He particularly likes to use bamboo as a material. His installations have been exhibited extensively during Mid-Autumn festivals in Hong Kong. In 2006, one of his bamboo installations was displayed at the Venice Biennale's International Architectural Exhibition. For this year's Bamboo Theatre project, he has used 1,000 cedar pillars and more than 10,000 bamboo poles.
其實我哋整體嘅顏色，我哋係用咗一個金黃色嚟做佢成個外形，咁希望係迎合到即係過年嘅氣氛啦，有一種多好燦爛嘅色彩喺裏邊咁樣。棚裏邊咧，我哋希望盡量係原汁原味，即係尤其是個大戲。嗰個戲院裏邊咧，係會盡量表現到傳統一個戲棚嘅風格咯。因為我覺得嚟睇戲嘅，除咗係一啲即係各種年齡嘅人，尤其是有啲年長嘅人咧，佢會真係有一種好回味以前嗰種去大戲棚、去個竹棚嗰度睇大戲嗰種感覺咯。所以我覺得係好緊要係保留到呢一種感覺。所以入到去個戲棚裏邊咧。成個結構我哋都盡量去保留佢，唔好去改變佢。個戲棚本身啦，我哋希望佢成個係一個建築群嚟嘅，咁佢有一個市集嘅環境係包圍住呢個主要嘅呢個戲棚咯。咁當中亦都有一啲展覽嘅場館啊咁樣，所以我哋其實希望整體嚟講係有一個我哋中國建築。同埋一個規劃上面嘅一啲概念。
The new year is a time when many look back as well as forward to take visitors on a trip down memory lane. More than 20 kiosks are selling creative items, as well as traditional snacks and handicrafts.
我由14歲入行做學徒，而家呢啲咧順暢啦，而家咧就。懷舊咧就個個擺翻去留念。
我就好中意睇嗰啲大戲嘅，我又見到呢啲係文化特色嚟嘅，就而家都幾乎失傳咁滯㗎啦。中意咗佢咪學咯，最難嗰啲易做啦、拿手啦、速度要快啦。
係一種幾乎絕跡嘅民間手藝，獅子藝術。如果你哋睇到我做嘢嘅情況咧，最大分別就係方向先。 剪就肯定由下向上噶啦，但係詩咧就係由上向下，由文字到圖畫，咁我都可以對住個實景嚟詩嘅。恭祝各位笑口常開，
祝大家蛇年好運。
祝大家花開富貴，大吉大利。
And finally, what better way to welcome in the Year of the Snake than with a little music?
With us now to provide that